Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberNOS channel, and today we have a special guest Jyoti Rao, who has passed CISSP yesterday with flying colors. And I am so excited, even rather you will be very much excited to understand how was her overall journey for CISSP preparation and how she nailed it. So welcome Jyoti to our channel, and first of all, many congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Jyoti, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience, and you can tell us something about your experience in cybersecurity?
Sure. So I have nearly 7 years of experience working in cybersecurity domain. I started as an information security analyst, and most of my experience revolved around doing the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing only, mostly into the technical part. And over the years, I have felt this little gap while assisting my clients while doing some other aspects of the cybersecurity assessments. And for that reason, I somewhere felt that in order to, reduce that gap, I should go for some kind of certification or learning, which will give me an enterprise level of understanding in which all area we can apply the cybersecurity, not just limited to conducting the technical assessment. So that is the reason I have chosen to go for CISSP to certification. And for that reason, I have been looking for different the cybersecurity trainings as well. And I knew I have heard from other people's also telling that this is a very high level certification, which some people person with 10 years of experience or 15 years of experience should do, and it is not
Mm-hmm.
relevant at this point of time. But I felt that this is something which is definitely going to help me in my career, in my future as well. So that is how I started looking for different trainings, and I landed up here.
Okay, Jyoti, in how many questions did you, in how many questions did you pass CISSP?
I passed CISSP with 150 questions. And
Okay.
yeah, I was little skeptical after finishing my exam that how the result is going to be. But inside, I was also confident because of one biggest reason is I have gone through. Like during my preparation time, I have gone through this mock test which Manoj sir has in Udemy, and I really felt most of the questions were relevant. So I would say, because when on the screen, when I was seeing the question, I was immediately recalling, yes, I have solved this pattern of question. So that was easy.
Mm-hmm.
But when it went till 150, I was a little bit skeptical. But inside, I knew that no, what I have practiced, I have got that question itself. So I will definitely pass. And after coming out and when I saw my result, I was really happy that yes, the everything that Manoj sir has told us and whatever he has taught us in our the training sessions and whatever material he has provided, that has actually worked for me. So yes, it took 150
So,
question, but it has came out with a flying colors for me.
yeah, kudos to you, and it's really such a wonderful feeling. Okay,
Yes.
so what do you want to say about the CST 3.2, and which feature you liked the most out of that program?
Uh, this way, I like the entire CST program itself because it is designed in a very planned way, and keeping in mind that this certification is not done by someone who is a college student or someone who has a lot of time to sit and learn, but keeping that in the mind that it is designed specifically for the professionals. And
Mm-hmm.
even we know that being a professional, we won't get so much time to dedicate only for the studies. In a day, we can hardly take 2 hours of time to dedicate
Mm-hmm.
towards our studies. And this is something in a way that the CST program has been designed, which is very good. And I would say if someone who is very much dedicated and they have this goal of clearing CISSP in 3 to 4 months, this program is best. So this is a
Wow,
wonderful platform if whoever is looking to do this CISSP program or the certification.
perfect. That was really nice of you. And what do you want to say about the mentorship of Manoj sir?
Manoj sir, I mean, he's actually teaching us in a way like we are small kids learning in a school, in a very,
Mhm.
very fundamental, very basics to very advanced level. So how he starts the topic to make us understand, and how he take very from very basic to very advanced level, that is actually great. Like that literally goes in our mind once, and that it will be imprinted forever. It is that kind of explanation he gives with a very wonderful examples. So that is one thing which I like about the mentorship. And also he is very much available whenever you want to reach out to him. He's always available. He will give you time, and he will also explain where you are lacking, which area you have to cover up during your studies. So when someone is very much approachable, there only we can see that where we are, under whom we are learning, and this is definitely going to give a good result. So yeah, it is wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And what do you think like this CISSP certification is going to add on in your career?
It is definitely going to make a big change in my career, because as I said, I was only into the testing and the technical part of my cybersecurity experience. But I am actually looking to move in a different direction, where I'm looking myself in 2-3 years as a cybersecurity architect. So
Mhm.
where I'll be designing and recommending the teams on improving the security posture of the firm. So I'm looking
Correct.
myself towards that way, and that is the reason I feel this is going to definitely add a great value in my career, my future.
Fantastic. And would you like to recommend CyberNOS for their CISSP preparation to the people who are looking out for it?
Sure, definitely I would like to, because as I said, this plan is very good and dedicated for the professionals who has very limited time to give on their on a everyday basis, because this CISSP certification is something which you cannot give a gap. There should be a
Mhm.
discipline if you really want to pass the certification, and this course is completely about the discipline. It will keep you in this consistency. Every day you have to only dedicate 1.5 hour or 2 hours of your time, and it is like a daily learning for you. So definitely, because of this reasons, I'm going to suggest this to others. And I think this has bring some changes in myself also. Like in future, if I want to do some certification, definitely I'm going to follow this. Like daily learning at least for 1.5 or 2 hours, and this way I can plan. This is a very good way your team has worked on it to design this course.
Thank you so much, Jyoti, for sharing your honest review with the audience. And I hope this information is really going to help out people. So, guys, if you are really looking for your CISSP preparation, do reach us out. The number may be reflecting somewhere down below, and you can reach us out for your preparation. And thank you, Jyoti, for joining the call and sharing your honest review. Thank you so much, and many
Thank you.
congratulations once again.
Thank you.